Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a wholesale box and a liquidation box. So it's a 2-for-1 video. Yay! So we're going to open up both of these boxes and see what we find. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so this is all liquidation, and I think it's just single unit ones, if I'm remembering correctly. And then this is a wholesaler. A wholesaler is simply someone who's going to send you new product, and you usually can reorder it multiple times. They usually keep a lot of the same stuff on their website. You know, there's varieties that change from time to time. So this we're going to open. And we have... Well, I didn't expect there to only be 2 boxes in here. Okay, this is, I'm just going to open it up here. Maybe. Okay, there we go. This is Sugar-Free Sours Jelly Bellies. Sugar-Free Sours Jelly Bellies. And this is Sugar-Free Sours Jelly Bellies. Okay. Wholesalers. What I just said was they have stuff in stock and you can order it over and over again. But one thing I want you to know about some wholesalers, not all, but some. I originally, when I made this Jelly Belly order, I wanted sugar-free sours, absolutely. But I also ordered 6 other flavors. And I think I remember when we got to the box, we were like, wait a minute, we should have more boxes in this. We looked at the invoice and it showed that yes, I paid for the sugar-free sours. But with those 6 other flavors, when I went online, I clicked the button, they were all in stock, boom, invoice was sent to me online saying, yes, this is how much you're going to pay. When this box arrived, it had an invoice that had all of those flavors listed, but the sugar-free sours said they were there, and then the rest were 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then my price was 0, 0, 0, 0. When I went back and looked, they had paid me back for those items, but this whole time I had expected to get 6 other flavors, and I didn't. And so that's one thing that you have to be aware of with some wholesalers is, yes, you can replenish items, maybe. So that's just kind of the ebb and flow of dealing with this business and some of the companies you work with. I mean, I'm not going to get them at a better price than what I bought them. This company's phenomenal pricing, which is why I can charge so little to you guys online. We're going to actually price everything from this box and that box at the end of this video so you know exactly what you're going to be able to pay. All of it will be on hookedonpickin.com that you can buy, but just wanted to pause for a moment and tell you what happened in that situation just so that you're aware and you won't lose your mind when it happens to you. So, all right, this one is 888 slots liquidation. This one is single unit items where I negotiate the price. So if they have it listed for $6, I say, hey, I'd rather buy them all for $3, and sometimes they take it, sometimes they don't. But the deal with buying single unit items from 888 lots is 1, you have to have a reseller certificate to purchase from them, and 2, you have to buy all of them. So if they've got 25, you have to buy all 25. If they have 2, you have to buy both. You can't just buy and pick and choose 1 or 2 items. All right, so what do we have in here? We have, this says, what is a handbag? I'm going to open that up and look at it. Ooh, I like this color. Look at that. It's like a pewter almost. Kind of a grayish with a metallic. Let me see. It comes with the shoulder straps. It's got a little clutch with it.
Got a brand name and all?
Elam and Paul. Elam and you, Paul.
Yay.
And then, look, I even have this makeup bag.
Is that good? I don't even know.
I don't know. And I have this cool, nifty tote bag, too. Big silver tote bag. Silver and black. The actual
like,
handbag.
Buy it, it goes with it or something, maybe?
The mall bag, I guess.
Kind of, yeah.
Well, it's a pretty nice tote bag, though.
Yeah.
So you get all of this with this handbag. So we're going to have to price this and put it on Hooked on Pickin so you can buy it right now. Elam and Paul. Nice. Yeah, it's a cool, nice big bag. So zipper there, big pockets, couple of pockets here, and then this is the front of it. So that's a cool set. And it's inside of its own mesh bag too. We're going to move all these over here. Good old Elam and Paul. And then we got a whole bunch more stuff inside the box there that we'll be looking at and opening. So this is liquidation.
So we believe this is Amazon returns, correct? Or
yes.
Not returns, but overstock.
Amazon overstock, which means it never went to a customer. It came straight to us. Hey, I think we have the green version of this backpack, don't we?
Correct.
So this is a blue one. Really nice outdoorsy backpack. So big, huge kind of duffel style, but I think you wear it on your back. Yeah, you do. See? So we got nice padded. It's got the waist strap to go around your waist. Padding on this side and padding on this side. We got a pocket up here. Got the pockets for the water bottles.
Some college campus our son's looking at. He needs something like that.
Yes, he does, because he's going to have to walk 9 miles to get everywhere. Good night. You could fit a whole sleeping bag in here. Doesn't it look like a backpacking sleeping bag, kind of?
I think it's for backpacking.
Yeah. Then you have this. Then this comes over the top if you want.
What's the name brand there?
It is that.
There's the label. If I can
Sorry.
see it there. Your hand was on it there. Here.
Sorry.
There we go. What does that say? Co-reel?
Co-reel.
Co-reel? Something like that.
All right. That is an awesome backpack. All right. Then we have Bits and Pieces, Lamar and His Pride Nesting Wildcats. Nesting cats, not nesting dolls, nesting wildcats. We're going to look at these.
This is important to have.
It is important to have.
This needs to be in every home right
now. Looky, looky.
What do we got here, Heather?
Lions. And tigers. Don't freak out if it's a bear next. I gotta get them apart though. There we go. What is that?
The leopard?
Leopard. Such a letdown. It should have been a bear.
Well,
no, but they're cats. You're right.
Cats. They're not gonna be a bear. What is that?
Jaguar.
Jaguar? There you go.
How
are you gonna get that one off?
It comes open. And
what is that?
A cheetah. It's the fastest one.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're
That
cool.
is cool.
I'm gonna put them all together like this. These are really fun.
Looks just like the box.
It does. These are really, really fun. I love
could see
these.
them selling this at a zoo.
Yep.
Couldn't you?
Absolutely.
But at a zoo would be like $49.99.
It would be $49.99.
Cool.
Lions and tigers and jaguars and cheetahs.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Are you having fun?
I'm playing with my toys over here. Don't interrupt me, Paul.
Sorry.
There. See?
You've seen it here.
This is my
ears.
Does. This is my favorite animal ever. Cheetah. Cheetah.
So you held a baby what? Lion?
I did hold a baby lion.
She held a baby lion.
I have a picture of it. When I was in South Africa. These are so cute. I love them. All right. So we have a bunch of those guys.
Yeah, we do.
We have,
Quite a few.
yeah. Look at that. So you're going to be able to find all this on hookedonpickin.com, but we're going to price everything. Look at this. DIY slime kit. Have we opened one of these?
Yeah, we've shown one of these before.
But I think we sold on the fire sale, didn't we?
I can't remember.
I don't know if-
Hooked on Pickin.
DIY slime kit. It has glow-in-the-dark, glitter, paint, foam ball beads, fruit scents, ages 6+, many possible combinations included.
Oh, yeah.
So we have 3 of these.
Awesome.
And then we have a bunch more of all the rest that's in here are the bits and pieces nesting cats.
Cool.
So we're going to go ahead and price everything so you can buy it right now. All right, we've got the prices for everything. You're going to find it on hookedonpickin.com. All right, so we've got our bits and pieces, Lamar and His Pride nesting wildcats. So we've got lions and tigers and what is that? Leopards and jaguars and cheetahs. Oh my. So those were really, really fun. And we've got quite a few of them available. So it looks like we've got 12 of those available, which are awesome. So they're available on hookedonpickin.com. Then this is for $19.99. We did sell these before. We only had one before, and so now we have 3. And I know they were a hot commodity. People were looking for them. $19.99 for the DIY slime making kit and all the extra accessories that come with.
Slime is always fun.
Slime is fun.
Take it to church.
Make your life slimy.
As the pastor gets boring, just start making slime kits.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. And
or put slime
in the nesting dolls.
Yep. Nesting dolls filled with
slime
in a
backpack
while you eat
sugar-free sour Jelly Bellies.
There you go. See?
It all works together. So then the cool backpack, $39.99 for this pretty fabulous backpack. It's huge, and but you know, all the extra padding and stuff, so it's perfect for carrying around, you know, your sleeping bag, children.
I think it's
you
really
know,
meant
no,
for
it's
camping. I think that's what it's meant for.
Don't put your kids in the bag.
Backpacking through the mountains.
Yep.
Heather does a lot of backpacking. She goes to the Himalayas.
Sure, yeah.
Been to the top of
Mount Everest.
Multiple times. It's
Yeah,
yeah.
boring. Right. I just snap my fingers and I'm there.
There you are.
Sure.
Yep.
No.
Have we been to the top of Pikes Peak?
We've been to the top of Pikes Peak, yes.
We did that.
Yeah, we went to the top of Mount Estes Park. I don't know what mountain that is. Yep. Anyway. All right, $2.99 for the sugar-free sours. What is your favorite type of Jelly Belly? Do you like buttered flavored popcorn or cotton candy or fruit bowl or blackberry, raspberry, or cherry, or Dr. Pepper was our first quick seller of Jelly Bellies. So we've got a whole bunch of flavors. So check out the Jelly Bellies on our Hooked on Pickin website. We have a bunch of different kinds. So look at what that one's. So it's made with Splenda. Look at all the different flavors. So you've got sour cherry, sour grape, sour green apple, sour lemon, sour orange. Can green apple get any more sour? I guess it can.
There you go.
There you go.
Bam.
All right, and then we have this awesome Elam Paul bag, and we looked these up, and they're actually selling for around about $50 on eBay. So we decided, well, we're going to price ours for $34.99, but you get everything you see here. So you'll get all 4 of the pieces for $34.99 for this kind of pewter, tan, grayish, metallic-y handbag, which is really nice. It's pretty cool. So you can put your piles of Jelly Bellies inside the bag.
This is your purse. This is your church purse.
Yes.
That you have the Jelly Bellies.
Yes.
That you randomly carry your purse in a bag.
Mm-hmm.
That is filled with
slime
that is
inside of nesting dolls.
Nesting dolls. Everybody needs a set.
Yes. Yes. How many other ways would you combine these 5 items? We want to know. You've seen our way. We're taking ours to church with a handbag inside of a backpack and all the rest. How would you combine these 5 items to make your curious trip with these products? So we want to know in the comment section below. That should be really fun to find out, and I'm going to have a blast reading all the comments. So hopefully this unboxing has been fun. If you want any of these items, go straight to hookedonpickin.com, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so more people can watch it. Also, make sure you're a subscriber to my channel so you see all the fun things that we unbox and we entertain you with. We don't just have Jelly Bellies. We also have Candy Club jars of candy and flavored popcorn. 24 different flavors to be exact, and tons of different Candy Club jars. They're great gift ideas, and they're just flat yummy. So we've got some sugar-free items as well over there on the Candy Club, and then our popcorn is amazing. You have sweet, you have savory, and you have spicy. So go check those out. So it's under Bell's Gourmet Popcorn, made here by a chef right in Texas and shipped directly to us right here in the United States. And then Candy Club has tons of different flavors too. So check out the Candy Club, the popcorn, or the Jelly Bellies.